Hi children, good morning. How are you? I am fine. How are you children? I hope you all are fine and safe. In the previous class, we have finished our explanation part, the social. Yes, first lesson. And now, on that day, I gave you to write in the textbook, page number 5. Page number 5. Sort the given items into discoveries and invention. Tick the correct column for each. Okay? The wheel. Wheel. In which column you will take children? In the invention. It is an invention. Yes. Okay? And the next one. Oxygen. Discovery. Computers. Invention. Red panda. Discovery. Television. Invention. Gravity, discovery. Australia, discovery. Yes, children? Got it? You have to write down in this table the discoveries and the inventions. Yes? Which one? Here, any 5 you should write. Discoveries. Rubber. Okay, rubber. Okay, children? And here, rubber, spices, tea, electricity, copper. And the inventions: eraser, bulb, bronze, internet, glue. Okay children? Children, we finished our textbook part. Yes, you have written that. I said you to write the homework and now I said you have finished. Yes. And now we are going to take our workbook part. We are going to take our workbook part. Okay children? Children, your workbook, page number 1, first lesson, explorations, discoveries and inventions, remembering part, multiple choice question. Which among the following inventions made travel and transport faster and easier for humans? Which one is correct in this, children? The option A, B, C, D. Ballpoint pen, wheel, computer, paper. Which one is correct? B. B is correct. Wheel. Who among the following was the first person to travel into space? Answer is Yuri Gagarin. D. The option D. Okay children. The next bit is fill in the blanks. Okay children. Alexander Tin explored the path followed by the river Dash for the first time. Which river? It is River Nile. Fourth one children. Vasco da Gama discovered a way to reach Dash by sea. Which? India. To reach India. And very short answer question children. Who is usually called the father of medicine in India? Charaka. Who is called Charaka? And which Chinese invention was? Okay children. Which Chinese invention was initially used to wrap delicate materials? Which one? It is paper. It is paper. And the 7th question is short answer question. Define discovery. Give an example. Define discovery and give an example. Finding and learning about something that no one knows about is called discovery. Example, fire is an example of a discovery. Finding and learning about something that no one knows about is called discovery. Fire is an example of a discovery. Okay children? Understanding part children. Write true or false. 8th one. Discoveries and inventions are not related to each other. Is it true or false? It is false. It is false. 9th one. The discovery of fire lead to the invention of the stove. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. The mobile phone is a discovery. It is false. It is false. Okay children? 11th children. Ferdinand Magellan was the first person to travel around the world. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Yes children, we have finished up to true or false. We have finished up to true or false. Okay children, read and complete your workbook today itself. Okay? Yes children? Children, take your classwork. In the previous class we have written 10 words in the now you have to write another 10 new words. Okay children? Information, information, designing, designing, materials, materials, ice pop, ice pop, frank a person, frank a person, earmuffs, earmuffs, trampoline, trampoline, acrobats, acrobats, delicate, delicate, trouble, trouble, circus, circus. Children, here you have to draw a line and write here. Again in another page you have to draw a line with the scale and write here. First one time, 2, 3, 4. 2 pages you have to write your homework. Okay children? Open your workbook. Lesson number 1, explorations, discoveries and invention, remembering part, multiple choice questions. First one, which among the following inventions made travel and transport faster and easier for humans? Which one is correct children? The ballpoint pen, wheel, computer, paper. Which one is correct in this? The wheel. B option. You have to write here B. Who among the following was the first person to travel to space? Okay children? Neil Armstrong, Edmund Hillary, Tenzing Norgay, Yuri Gagarin. Which one is correct in this? D. Yuri Gagarin. Okay children? Tin. Explode. Alexandrine tin explored the path followed by the river Nile for the first time. Okay? Turn the page. Turn the page. Okay children? Vasco da Gama discovered a way to reach India by sea. Very short answer questions. Who is usually called the father of medicine in India? Charaka. Who is usually called the father of medicine in India? Charaka. Which Chinese invention was okay children? Initially used to wrap delicate materials, paper. Okay? Short answer question. Define discovery. Give an example. Finding or learning about something that no one knows about is called discovery. Fire is an example of a discovery. Yes? Okay? Define discovery. Give an example. Finding or learning about something that no one knows about is called discovery. Fire is an example of a discovery. Define discovery. Give an example. Finding or learning about something that no one knows about is called discovery. Fire is an example of a discovery. Understanding part children. Write true or false. Discoveries and inventions are not related to each other. False. Discoveries and inventions are not related to each other. False. The discovery of fire led to the invention of the stove. True. The discovery of fire led to the invention of the stove. True. The mobile phone is a discovery. False. The mobile phone is a discovery. False. Okay children? Ferdinand Magellan was the first person to travel around the world. True. Okay children? You read up to here. You have to read up to here children. Okay? Yes children. You have to write the classwork. In the classwork the new words. In the classwork the new words which I gave today. Okay children? You have to write 3 times. 3 times means in the sense 1 time we are writing already and 3 times. It becomes 4 times. In 1 page 2 times. In 1 page 2 times. Okay children? Children, we have finished our classwork. Yes, you have finished the first lesson classwork. New words we have written. And we have written the workbook also. Today which you have done the work, you please follow that. Listen to the videos clearly and do your work in time and be perfect children. Okay? Children, you have to take 4 ruled books. They have given 10 4 ruled books. Yes, one for the science classwork. Yes, science classwork, and another one science homework. Okay, and separate book for social also. Social classwork one book and social homework one book. Okay, you have to use 2 4 ruled books. One as classwork and one as homework for science. And same as the social also, you have to use 2 as one as classwork and one as homework. Okay children.